Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.
Hello guys, welcome back to the Crazy Information Technology. In today's video, I am going to review Oppo R17. So if you are new on our channel, so kindly subscribe our channel Crazy Information Technology. So as you can see the overall review of Oppo R17. So I will explain its all specification, its all features in the detail. So please keep watching this video till end and let's the review begin. So first of all, I would like to explain its main highlight, its main feature, its main specification. It comes with the display 6.4 inch, which is great, and protection is Corning Gorilla Glass 6, which is amazing. And it comes with the memory 128 GB and 8 GB RAM, which is also great. And now come to its camera. It has dual camera. One is 16 megapixel and the other is 20 megapixel with aperture f1.7, which is great. And now come to the selfie camera. The selfie camera of this mobile is awesome. It has 25 megapixel selfie camera as compared to the Oppo F9 Pro. As you can see the water drop notch display on the F9. So it has also water drop notch. So it is interesting feature and new to see. So hope you will be excited with that feature. So now I have a brief review on Oppo R17.
Smartphone from Oppo named as R17 just appeared in news, and it seemed that just its producer this phone in high and mid-range device which is going to pack solid specification. Oppo R17 got revised its old design, and now the notch on top of display is reduced to minimum, which is carrying a single front camera, whereas the fingerprint scanner of Oppo's R17 is also not located on the back side, which indicates that it is time to introduce under display fingerprint for the first time in this series. Just like other amazing specific display of Oppo labeled R17 is also improved as compared to the previous limblings of this smartphone. Instead of old IPS panel, AMOLED display will be seen in next generation of Oppo, which is imported from the Samsung from the R17. Display size of phone is 6.4 inches and resolution will be 1080 multiplied by 2280 pixels with an aspect ratio of 19:9. Pixel density of display is 394 pixel per inch. Oppo R17 multi-touch support is also confirmed, and it seems that Corning Gorilla Glass 6 will be installed on top of the screen to protect the screen from the scratches. R17 got Qualcomm SDM710 Snapdragon 710 chipset. Octa-core processor is fitted on top of the chipset, but only two cores have the clock speed of 2.0 GHz, while all remaining core of R17 have clock speed of 1.7 GHz. As usual, Adreno 616 GPU is attached with the main chipset, whose job is to tackle graphical performance of the smartphone. Android OS 8.1 Oreo comes out of box to control R17. 128 GB ROM is selected to install all data under one roof, but still if you feel that such amount is not enough for you, then you can expand the storage of R117 by Oppo up to 256 GB. 8 GB of RAM is gonna tackle your multitasking, and energy department of the phone is consist of 3500 mAh battery, which fixed inside the Oppo R17. And now back to the studio.
Hope you enjoy our video, and if you enjoy our video, please subscribe our channel Crazy Information Technology, because when you subscribe our channel you will be connected with the latest technology updates. So for now it's ended. We will be right back with new ideas, with new technology. For now, goodbye.
Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.